But you can use this flotation device. Floating. What they say, they floating. They can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, forgiving you from Costco. I have to contemplate. I have to consider. Ooh, I'm aquaphobic, man. Why do I have to be aquaphobic? Flotation device.
Few moments later.
I told you can trust me. Who do you trust then? Me, man. I trust me. What? Hey, wait. I lifted it. You lifted it. But why? There's no super secret reason. And I just float. Excuse me.